In this video, I'm going to go over 6 ways on how to spot a scam on Facebook Marketplace. First way to know if you're getting scammed on Facebook Marketplace is if the price is too good to be true. I was recently helping someone to see if they were getting scammed or not, and instantly, just based off the price, I knew it was a scam. Looking at an item that which brand new costs over $1,000, the seller was selling it for about $250. And this was brand new, so of course I knew off that it was going to be a scam. I'm all for good deals, but most people know what the price of their items are, so if someone's selling it super low, most of the time it's gonna be a con of some sort. Just use your gut. If you're trying to buy something that usually costs $500 and they're selling it for $50, most of the time it's probably going to be a scam. Second way to know if you're getting scammed, if there is an aggressive sense of urgency. Whether you're selling or buying something and you start messaging someone and they really want an answer now and don't even let a minute go by without sending a little question mark or asking, do you want to proceed? Usually a red flag that you are getting scammed. I believe that they're doing this so that they can gauge whether or not you actually are a real buyer, a victim in this case, to know really quick whether you're going to buy it or continue with the scam. If not, they can just move on to the next person. So if they're sending you questions like, hey, you're going to buy this, are you, throwing a little question mark out there, a weird aggressive sense of urgency is another way to tell that you are getting scammed. Third way to spot a scam is if they're trying to get you to contact them outside of the platform. Whether you're buying or selling, if they want you to contact them at a certain email, or if they want your number for some reason, it's a telltale sign of a phishing scam that they want to just get you outside of the platform so they can continue the scam and not be liable for any repercussions. In Facebook Marketplace, his actual terms of service, it says that if you contact somebody outside of the platform, you don't have any buyer or seller protection. But whether they're trying to get you to text them or call them or email them outside of the platform, that's usually a phishing scam, and that is another way to tell somebody is trying to scam you, so please do not do that. Now, the fourth way to know if you're getting scammed is if they want you to pay with Cash App, PayPal, or Venmo. A very common scam that happens every single day on other sites like OfferUp, Mercari. Once you send money through those platforms like Cash App and Venmo, PayPal, you cannot get that money back. It says it in Facebook Marketplace's protections terms of service as well. You pay outside of the platform, there is absolutely no protection. I will throw a little caveat onto this. If you are meeting in person and you've inspected the item and everything looks good, you can go ahead and do Cash App, PayPal in person. But again, this is only in person and only after inspected the item. Seller is legit. The seller is right there in front of you. Other than that, if someone's asking you to Cash App or PayPal them over the internet, you send that money, you are almost guaranteed to never see it again. So avoid paying with Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, or Zelle at all costs. The fifth way to spot a scam is if they offer to ship the item. This is different than an item being able to be shipped from Facebook Marketplace itself. What I'm talking about here is that let's say you're buying a shirt and they're like, hey, I can ship it to you for an extra 20 bucks. Just send me the $20 and I will ship it to you so you don't have to even leave your house. Obviously, it sounds great to you because you don't have to leave and they can ship you the item. But again, this is one of those scams where as soon as you send the money, they don't have to ship anything. And if they do send you a tracking number, it's either fake or they just block you shortly thereafter. So try to meet up in person. And if you are going to need something being shipped, buy it through the Facebook Marketplace shipping. They have shipping set up, but it needs to go outside of the platform to conduct any shipping services. Now, the sixth and final way to spot a scam on Facebook Marketplace is that whether you're buying or selling, if you get an instant response, this usually means that it is a scam. So let's say you're interested in an item and you hit, hi, is this available? Within seconds, you get a reply like, yes, it is, or something like, yes, it is, contact me here so we can further discuss. It's usually an automated message by scammers. It just pops up whenever someone is interested in their product. Again, this usually happens within seconds, within like 5 seconds of you asking if it's available. The likelihood of an actual seller being able to respond that quickly is very low. Usually, if you get a super fast response, usually tend to stay away from those because they usually try to contact you through email or want your number so that you can text them and then possibly get scammed. So yeah, if you get a response within literal seconds of you asking if it's still available, I would stay away because most of the time it is a scam. Now, some bonus red flags just to keep a lookout if you are on Facebook Marketplace. If they have really bad grammar or English, usually this means a scam. It's not obviously the end-all be-all. They're putting commas and periods in different places and starting a sentence with like a non-capital letter or just really bad misspellings. Obviously a red flag that it might be a scammer. The second red flag is if they have really weird email addresses. If it's just a bunch of cobbled up letters and numbers at a weird email, I would just stick away from that as well, either contacting them or sending them any money, of course. Third red flag, it kind of goes into number one, but if they have really generic names like John Smith, Mary Smith, I usually tend to stay away from those as well because those are just fake names that they always tend to use for some reason. Just some bonus red flags to look out for if you're shopping on Facebook Marketplace. Those are the 6 ways to spot a scam on Facebook Marketplace. If you found any value in this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. Need any help trying to determine if you're getting scammed, just shoot me a DM at my Instagram at netflipsyt. Also just did a video on a new scam that is going on Facebook right now that it's affecting the entire nation. So go check that out. It's not a very long video at all, but just something to watch so that you can share to your friends and family so that they don't get scammed and you don't get scammed as well. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next one.